This is RK International Machine Tools, and we just had a Haas SL10 turning centre arrive to RK. It's a 2005 machine. It's got a swarf auger fitted to it, tool presetter, parts catcher. Let's have a quick look inside. See the 12 station bolt on tool type turret. There's a 3-jaw chuck with the machine. Got some turret tooling with it. So it's just arrived at RK, this machine. It's had a clean. Just waiting for our engineers to power the machine up. And we'll do another quick short video once it's under power. Haas SL10 at RK International Machine Tools.